Chess is a game that has captured the minds and hearts of millions around the world. It's a game of strategy, patience, and foresight. The objective is simple: to checkmate your opponent's king. The chessboard consists of 64 squares, alternating between light and dark colors. Each player starts with 16 pieces, 1 king, 1 queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights. Let's talk about the pieces and their movements. The king is the most important piece on the board. It can move in any direction but only one square at a time. The queen is the most powerful piece, capable of moving in any direction and any number of squares. The bishop moves diagonally, and it's important to note that there are 2 bishops, one on each color. Now, the pawns are the foot soldiers of the chessboard. They move forward 1 square at a time, but on their first move, they have the understanding how the pieces move is just the beginning. To excel in chess, you need to think ahead and plan your moves carefully. Develop your pieces, control the center of the board, and protect your king.
Chess is a game that rewards practice, patience, and perseverance.